somebody's girlfriend, like going to get a coffee. What's up, y'all? Today we are doing a fall clothing haul. I'm so excited for this video because I got some items I want to show y'all. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm gonna be wearing this fall, and it's just to the fur, to the pumpkin patch, grab coffee, whatever the case may be. We have some sets, my favorite sweaters, a couple accessories, some jeans. The jeans I love to pull out for fall. So mind you, I am a tad bit sick, so if my voice sounds crusty or if I'm coughing throughout this video, just go like this, cover your face, everything gonna be okay. Some of these items are new, some of these items are old, but this is just a fall clothing haul to show y'all what I'm gonna be wearing, and maybe it can inspire some of y'all outfits. I don't know, but let's get into it. The first item was iamgia actually sent me this, and I've been wearing it every day now. At this point, it's very comfortable. This is giving fall to me because this is giving like I said, go grab some coffee. This is giving going on a date. Like, what do you mean? Something I like to do though, and I might say I'm doing too much, but it's cute loose, but I like to tie up the back. I like to tie up the back and then zip this down a little bit so I can show a little ooh, body, ooh. But this is the first item, and this is one of my favorite items. The next set I'm gonna be showing y'all is actually from iamgia too. They sent me this. Hold on, let me zip it up. Because it's gonna look real stank if I don't zip it up. These are the shorts. Then this is the top. Actually, I already wore this S, but y'all, before I put on the top, why does low-key eat like this? Why does low-key? If you look at my pictures on Instagram, I'm always adding this to everything just because, I don't know, it be adding a little something. So I'd actually add this over the shorts to give this outfit a little bit more like whatever. This is the second set, and this is how I will wear this. I will put clips in the back to tighten the shirts. Yeah. The thing about iamgia clothes, like, they clothes sit really low-waisted. I don't know how I feel about that. The next set is something that I wore before. I actually love this set because it's just so comfortable, and I like clothes that look tore up a little. So y'all, I forgot how bad this set eats. This eats so bad, and it's so simple. Like, this set is from Ego, and this is also giving fall to me. It's a little naked for fall, but I don't know, I just love dressing like this. And I just like this set because the colors and the way it fit is just... Okay, so this next set is actually one of my favorites, and I've worn it multiple times. So the next set is this crochet skirt. Okay. I think TT crocheted this. Is this shirt with this top. And get this, I'm actually allergic to this because I'm allergic to nickels. So like any fake metal, I'm allergic to it. So this actually, even if it's on my skin for like 20 seconds, it breaks me out. But this is cute for pictures and stuff. If I wasn't allergic to it, then I would wear this to an outing, maybe a night out, or it's even good for during the day too. But is it not giving fall? Like, just the color combo. Exactly. So I'm gonna try it on so y'all can see how it look. And I think this top is also from Ego, and this is crochet. So if y'all go get y'all one of them little machines, y'all can make y'all a skirt too. Something that's good about this skirt as well, before I try on the whole set, this skirt go with this top. Like, look at this.
Ooh.
That's why I say, like, it's good that this skirt is multicolored so you can pair it with different tops. Okay, this would honestly probably look better without a bra, and that's usually how I wear it. But yeah, this is another cute set. I almost likely wear the skirt with the top that I just had on because I can't wear this top, but it is cute for pictures. This next set that we're gonna try on was actually sent to me by Finesse. This is the bottoms. It's like knitted, I think. This is the top. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. Hopefully it's flattering. Let's give it a try, shall we? Okay, so this is the outfit. It's cool, but y'all know I like my stuff a little bit shorter. This skirt is pretty long, but this set is very comfortable. And my first impression, it's not really my style, but next item we have is a dress that Finesse also sent me. I wonder how this is gonna fit. I don't know where I will wear this to, but this is cute too. It's pretty comfortable. This is giving me like Halloween vibes, more so October, November part of the fall. I think that's the last of the sets I have. So that's what I'm gonna be mainly wearing this fall. Now we're gonna get into the sweaters and all that jazz. One of the first sweaters that I have that's just giving fall down is this one. Something that I kind of don't like about this sweater though is that the neck is kind of way too big, but this is one of my favorite sweaters to put on when it's cold because it's just oversized and soft. It reminds me of a teddy bear and it's kind of cute with this thing layered under it. Y'all see how big the neckline is? Like, wear it off of the shoulder if you just want to be dramatic. Yes. Oh, it ain't that big. I was gonna try to put it off of both of my shoulders, but it's just giving like somebody girlfriend, like going to get a coffee. Okay, the next sweater that I have, it's not really a sweater, but more so of a, I guess, is a sweater but kind of a jacket. This, hold on. I will be wearing this fall too, just because, I mean, look at the color. When it gets cold, this is one of the items that I will be pulling out. Oof. This is the inside, it's like a slippery material. I kind of don't know how to style this because it's like, it's Nike, so I guess it's like sporty, but I don't know, like, maybe I would wear this with like some jeans perhaps, maybe like some flared jeans or some S, and then post it, but this is also giving let's go grab a cough. Okay, so that's another item that I'll be wearing this fall. Let's move on to one of my favorite items to pull out is this. I really like this because y'all, if only y'all could feel it, it's so soft. Oh, it's so soft. Just because when it get cold, it's time to bundle up. This is also Nike, so I mean, I don't know, y'all. I don't know how to dress for real, so. And then something else I have that can keep me warm. I have this flannel that's giving fall. Honestly, all flannels are giving fall. It don't matter. Like, is this giving fall or what? Oh! Be so for real. Like, can't be exposing me like that. Okay. This is giving cozy. You can wear this with a skirt, some jeans. Yeah, this flannel is cute. You can wear this multiple ways. Just open like this, off the shoulder for dramatics. Button it up, tie it up. I have a mirror over here. That's why I keep looking over here. Don't mind me, child. And now I'm gonna show y'all some of my jeans that I consider fall a little bit. I haven't had these jeans for a long time too. First ones are these. They're Tommy Hilfiger. These are actually vintage because they my mama old jeans from back in the day. So this that good stuff. This that good stuff. These are good for a pumpkin patch, grab food, like I said, a call. Coffees is just the main, coffee is the main fall thing. Anytime you look up a fall playlist, you gonna see a coffee in the thumbnail. So I like these jeans. These jeans fit perfect actually, like, oh my gosh, they need to be, I don't know, ironed, starched? I don't know. The next jeans that I have that I will be wearing, now these jeans are old, real. These are from Aeropostale, and I really like these jeans, but sadly they don't have a button. They don't have a button. These are like skinny jeans, but they low-key like jeggings, but they kind of toe up a little bit, but that's okay. These are definitely giving fall though. Like these with some Uggs for sure. As y'all can see, these are very cute. You said they not cute? That's crazy. Anyway, I like to wear these, but like I said, they don't have a button. I could always just stitch a button on there, but sadly I'm too lazy for that. And these pants are also good if you got a big booty. Like, obviously, like, I'm just dragging a wagon. Like, nah, but for real, if you got a big booty, like, these will look so much better on you. Because I just feel like... So if y'all saw me in a book out, searching for a book, would y'all approach me in this outfit? Let's say I'm out at a library. I have my coffee, my mug, and I'm trying to find a book. And it's just too high. Like, oh my gosh, I need help. Like, on some pick-me stuff. Like, would y'all approach me and be like, hey, let me get that for you? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, how I said that these don't have a button, the way that you could disguise that are belts. And that's when we get into the last section of this video, which is the accessories. So I have a few accessories. that I'm gonna show you guys. The first one is obviously this. I put this S on earlier. This is a, bro, this is a dress that I cut into a shirt. Now I wear it as a belt. Like, bro, what? What are you talking about? These are like my 2 favorite belts to wear. Mainly this green one though. You can put on multiple if you just got swag like that. Or you can put on one, up to you. So I will put on belts with this like that, or this is another accessory, and I actually took this S. This is something that Reagan made, which you need to make me one. This is some fur. You could either wear it halfway like that, S, wear it around the back, and tie it in the front, or you could just tie it in the front straight up like this. Anyway, but yeah, Reagan made this, and I be taking it sometime to wear it with my outfits. But I usually wear it like this and then tie it on the side where it's like that. Those are my accessories. These 2 belts, this fur S, and then this little cut up shirt. And that's some hacks to spice up your wardrobe. And that's all the clothes that I have for this fall. I have a few more items, but I didn't want to try them on. Like, this is giving fall to me. I got this from the thrift store, but I don't know how I would wear this. It's giving Princess Jasmine type S. But I don't know. Reagan said she would cut it up and make me a set. So I guess to be continued. Y'all, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed my fall haul. And leave in the comments what was your favorite piece of clothes.